In today's video, I'm going to teach you to activate protected browsing on Xfinity. If you've ever worried about sketchy websites or unexpected threats on your home Wi-Fi, this quick setup will add an extra layer of protection right from the Xfinity app. First, open the Xfinity app on your mobile device and sign into your account. A quick tip here, make sure your app is updated to the latest version so the security options appear exactly as we describe. If you have multiple profiles on your account, sign in with the primary or a profile that has permission to manage your home network. Next, head to the security area in the app. Depending on your app layout, you might find it under the Home tab or as its own security tab. Once you're there, look for Advanced Security. On some versions, you may see it referred to as Xfi Advanced Security. Either way, you're in the right place. If you don't see security at all, double check that you're using an eligible Xfinity gateway and that your app is set to the correct home network. If Advanced Security isn't already enabled, you'll see a button or prompt that says Turn on Advanced Security. Go ahead and tap it to activate. The app may take a moment to apply the setting. While it's turning on, here's what this feature does behind the scenes. It watches for known risky sites, suspicious connections, and common attacks, and helps block them for devices connected to your home Wi-Fi. There's nothing to install on individual devices. Once it's on, your network is protected at the gateway level. After activation, you'll land on a security dashboard in the Overview section. This screen is your confirmation that protected browsing is now on. You can use the dashboard to get a high-level status of your network, view recent activity, and see if anything has been blocked. If you ever want more detail about a specific alert, you can open it from this overview to learn what was detected and which device was involved. And that's it, your protected browsing feature is activated. From here, I recommend keeping the app updated, checking the dashboard occasionally to stay informed, and making sure all your home devices connect through your Xfinity Wi-Fi so they benefit from the protection. If something doesn't look right or you can't find the security section, try refreshing the app or signing out and back in. Thanks for watching and enjoy safer browsing at home.